Now we will show how to measure a real-time clock if it is correctly working. Here we have the real-time clocks integrated circuits. When in the pin 3 we have the chip enable. Then on the pin 10 the clock and the pin 11 data. The chip enable is generated on the pin 13 by this selector, this integrated circuit 4051. So with the pins A and B, we select one of these output, and in this case, we will select the pin 13. To measure this, we will look it with an oscilloscope. We have the trigger in the channel number 1, when we will put here in the channel number 1 the chip enable, and then we will see on the channel number 2 the clock and the data. So in this motherboard we have, this is the integrated circuit, the chip selector, and this is the real-time clock. Now we see the pin number 13, and we see clearly here the chip enable. We can see it. Then we will take a look to the pin 10 of the real-time clock, and we can see clearly the clock. This is very regular. This is very easy to understand, and it's the clock. Then we will pass to the pin number 11, and we see the data. It's very clear that this is the data because it's irregular. We can see the ones and the zeros. In this case, each time the real-time clock is selected by the chip enable, we see that the clock is given, and then the data output is delivered by the integrated circuit. This is working correctly. Thanks.